Which method can be used to return a string in uppercase letters? A. Uppercase. B. To uppercase. C. Upper. D. Uppercase. Your time starts now. Option C. Upper method. What is the average value of the Python code snippet? Num1 is equal to 50. Num2 is equal to 40. Your time starts now. Option A. 45.0. How many operands are there in the following arithmetic expression? 6 into 35 plus 8 minus 25. Your time starts now. Option C. 3. Which of the following is an invalid variable? Option A. My underscore string underscore 1. Option B. First underscore string. Option C. Go. Option D. Underscore. Your time starts now. Option B. First underscore string. Evaluate the expression given below. If A is equal to 16 and B is equal to 15, A mod B truncate division A. Option A 0.0, option B 0, option C 1.0, option D 1. Your time starts now. Option B 0. Comment your scores below. If you like the video, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.